Today I'm going to show you the method to get the full Office suite. With this method, you'll have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the entire Office package. The explanation will be as detailed as possible, so pay close attention. Let's move on to the next step. To do this, you'll need to go to the link below, which I've left in the video description or in the comments. Once you have successfully downloaded the setup file, please right-click on it, then proceed to open it and carefully accept all of the subsequent prompts that appear on your screen. This process will ensure the proper installation of the software onto your system. The options menu will then appear on your screen. Please select the language option for Spanish and then proceed to click the Install button. The certificate will take a few seconds to initialize. Next, we proceed to install the Microsoft add-ons. This particular installation process will typically take a few seconds or potentially a few minutes, entirely depending on the specific internet connection speed you currently have available at your home or location. In order to effectively avoid making this video tutorial excessively long and drawn out, I am going to temporarily pause the Microsoft Office 365 University installation procedure. This is specifically the comprehensive university package that is generously provided by various paid universities, allowing you to successfully pursue your academic studies and educational endeavors. It is 100% pre-configured and validated, so you won't have to do anything at all to get the full Microsoft Office 365 with all the packages. Let's wait a few more minutes for all the add-ons to finish installing. The installation process is now complete. Click Close. Let's go to the directory where our setup is, which will create a file for us. We're going to carefully open this particular file, then we will proceed to edit it thoroughly, and subsequently, we will diligently follow all the detailed steps that are clearly outlined within the file itself. We will open a command prompt, or more specifically, in this particular instance, we will use this one here. Next, we will carefully copy the provided command, then confidently press the Enter key and patiently wait for a few crucial seconds for the installation process to thoroughly begin. After that, we will click the Yes button. A comprehensive menu of various options should then prominently appear here on your screen, allowing us to smoothly proceed with the essential Office validation. This is indeed the primary options menu. From this detailed list, we will carefully select option number 2, which is clearly indicated. Next, we select option number 1. We will need to wait for a few moments, allowing the system to prepare and initiate the installation process. This brief pause is crucial for ensuring all necessary components are properly configured before the setup begins. Once the installation commences, it will proceed automatically, and upon its successful completion, our task will be entirely finished, signifying that everything is ready for use. Our comprehensive Office package is now fully and completely validated. To exit the current application, you can press any key on your keyboard. Alternatively, to perform a more comprehensive action, press key number 0. This will completely exit, closing all active programs and applications, returning you to the main Windows operating system desktop environment, and then opening Microsoft Word for your convenience. We accept. We go to a blank document, and now our Microsoft Word is fully validated, completely legal and free. Our University Office package is ready, so we can do all the tasks we want for life. If you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comments and share this video. Thank you.